Stanley, thank you. I just wanted to say Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah. Whatever you celebrate, this is a wonderful time of the year, and Happy New Year. The last time I was here, I jumped in the pool. I'm not going to do that tonight. But I'm getting ready. I've been practicing to light the Christmas tree. I already lit the world's tallest menorah in Central Park. I helped light the Christmas tree at Rockefeller Center, which incidentally, if I hadn't touched the button, would have turned on anyways. I'm going to do it here. I just want to say thank you for, and everybody that makes this a big deal. The Jackie Robinson Park Conservancy is wonderful. Jackie Robinson, I was thinking before when Denny was talking, he's somebody that I never knew, I never met him. And I always wish that I had, but I know the whole family, and in his memory, we really are making this place better. So God bless everyone. Thanks.